Hi, this is Prima. Welcome back to our factory tour of X2M1. It's been a long time and I know lots of you are anxiously waiting for X2M1 to arrive. So today I'm gonna bring you some more updates. And now I'm standing in front of our assembly workshop. First, let's have a look. So here our colleagues are assembling the machine. What about we take a closer look? Now we are assembling the inner shell of X2M1, and inside the inner shell is the main board. And this is the major mechanical structure of X2M1, which includes the X-axis, Y-axis, and also Z-axis. And the Z-axis is for X2M1 to autofocus. So after assembly, all X2M1s will have to go through a series of tests before packaging and shipping to your hands. And here we are doing the home positioning test of different axes. So you can see here the X-axis, Y-axis, and also the axis are moving and back to the home position. Here we are doing the camera calibration test. By laser marking on the paper with the same spot and the same gap, that we know this camera has passed the calibration test. And here all the machines are doing the aging test. And now the packaging part. When packaging, this is the standard part inside every X2M1. So first, this is the basic material package and exhaust pipe, the connector, and also the clamp, power supply. And here is a box of X2M1 premium package. First, you can see the rotary attachment, and also the riser set, and the blade kit. And this is the premium material package. Okay, let's put it here. And 2 cutting mats, and of course the machine. That's everything you're gonna receive. Okay, one more foam layer on the top. Now let's close it. And it's ready for you now. Wow, here are all X2M1s waiting for their masters. And I believe it won't take long to arrive to your hands. So that's all for today's factory tour, and bye.